Welcome back, guys, to the Fierce Hot Wheels. Today we're featuring something exciting. A new racetrack. Who's the fastest? Well, Dragstrip Championship. Let's open up and see how it is. Нет, не здесь. Смотри как. Вот, видишь, открываешь. Сейчас. И по полоскам. Видишь, надрезы идут. Вот. Продавливаешь и открывай. Вот. Alright. Давай, доставай. We're gonna assemble it and see how it is. A traffic light. The end of the tunnel. This is the drag strip. At the end, who wins? Huh. Pretty unique. So, this is connectors. Так. Alright, let's see how it's going to be designed. Right here. So, we adjust the stoplight right here. Like this. This is going to be our... Stay. Alright. I'm going to have to do a little pause on it, but... Ah, I see that. This is the ball drop. Huh. Nice. Alright, let's assemble it and we'll see. We'll go from there. We're going to need some rubber bands I see right here. Or something to... Oh, no. Yep. So, there you go. Who's the fastest or who's the fastest reaction? Go in person. Just going to hold it down. And let's see. There we go. So I guess it's going to be a two people game. We're going to pause that a second and assemble it. This is how it goes. Alright, guys, this is how it goes. Once it's down, we push these. The gates are open. They're free to go. And this is what we're going to do. On your mark. Готовься. Ты готов?
Да.
On your mark. Get it. And this way, count down and there you go. Somehow they both flew out at the same time. Guys, this was the Hot Wheel that was inside this box. It was the fast fish. So anyways, this is what happens. With the car that wins, the flag drops. So if this car wins, it drops this way. If this car wins, it drops this way. So let's do this again. And I guess on your mark. Get set, go. As you see, Fast Fish won versus Tank that has 6 wheels, but it lost. I guess the Tank is no-go because what it does, it gets stuck over here a little bit, which slows down. So what we're gonna do is do another race. No, I don't. Поставь флаг. No, флаг, поставь ровно. Держи так, подержи пока. Да. Alright, sorry guys about that. No. Нет, не надо. Alright guys, we got 2 cars ready to go. The springs are loaded. The countdown is on. Drop the ball. And go. BMW 1. BMW 1. BMW M4. But both cars flipped over. What's cool about it, you can also do see who jumps the furthest. Do that, which we might do that also. The test is put one lane on and see whose car flies the further.